GIFT is pointing to a perfect epic rebound start. Well, this morning's GIFT Nifty's meteoric rise towards 23108 mark, up 642 points from Wednesday's closing, is on backdrop of the positive catalyst: a swift de-escalation in the Trump administration's tariff. President Trump lowered new tariff rates on imports from most US trade partners to 10% for 90 days to allow for trade negotiations. This marks a significant reduction from previous levies applied against Japan, 24%, and South Korea, 25%. The big question: can Nifty hold any intraday solid spectacular gains? Our call of the day suggests volatility to be the hallmark on any early excessive strength as Trump continues to defend high China tariffs. In fact, Trump ups the tariffs ante on China. China faces a higher rate of 125% amid an escalating trade row with the US. Overnight, Wall Street's Trump's tariff pause rally was also seen fading. Long story short, Nifty may whipsaw in a volatile trading with intraday resistance at 23,300 mark on closing basis. Only above Nifty 23300 mark it is safe to assume that Nifty is out of the woods. Global cues are quite volatile. In Wednesday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 4358 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 3097 crores. Sentiments are likely to turn risky after a positive start. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting a desired consolidation. FANO April month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,000 to 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index, is hovering near 21.43 levels. At last check, USD INR 28 April expiry has spiked towards 86.82. Nifty PCR 24th April is at 1.08 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 24th April is at 0.74. Nifty outlook: positive start, but volatility is likely to spike after any early excessive strength. Nifty CMP to 2399. Biggest make or break support on Nifty is now placed at 22,300 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,300 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 22,300 and 23,000. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty CMP 50 to 40. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 49,159 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,500 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 50,000 and 51500. Bias for the day is neutral. The street will react to Tata Consultancy Services (TCS) Q4 as it reported a net profit of 12,224 crore rupees during the quarter ended March 2025, down 1.68% from 12,434 crore rupees in the same period a year ago. The positive takeaway was that TCS annual revenue crossed the $30 billion mark in FY25. The company posted revenue from operations at 64,479 crore rupees, up 5.29% as against 61,237 crore rupees during the same period of previous financial year. Meanwhile, the RBI slashed its key repo rate by 25 bps to 6%, marking back-to-back cuts as the latest rate cut brings borrowing costs to their lowest level since November 2022, driven by easing inflation, slowing economic output, and growing global trade tensions. Amongst stock-specific action in Tuesday's trade: 1. Interglobe Aviation, which operates Indigo Airline, hit an all-time high of 5,265 rupees on expectations of a strong passenger growth outlook in the January to March 2025 quarter, Q4 FY25, and falling crude oil prices. Interglobe Aviation also intends to enter the hotels business after partnering with global hospitality giant Accor. 2. Glenmark's stock price plunged 4.5% in Wednesday's trade after the US pharma regulator announced that 39 drugs manufactured by the company, most of which were made at its Pithampur plant in Madhya Pradesh, have been recalled from the American market owing to GMP concerns.